हाँ जी, hello guys, this is the Rohit and welcome back with this, English practice as a beginner series. I don't know what the day is and I don't know what the day of my English speaking challenge what I took, and I am just practicing daily of English speaking for gaining fluency as a beginner because of I am not a fluent. So this is why I am here. You can see and what I did today. Let's talk about what I did today. So let's talk about from the early in the morning. I wake up around 8 a.m. in the morning, and then I do what we all do usually do in the morning, go to the toilet, taking bath or brushing teeth, then having breakfast, then I iron my clothes which I am wearing. Okay, I am sitting on the the rock. I'm sitting on a stone, a big stone we can say, or we can say a big, not a rock, we can say, yes, rock or a stone we can say. And then I left from my home to the Saket Court, and Saket Court I have one matter, one of senior, I have two matter, one of senior or one of mine. I attend both of the matter. Then I came here, and I am right now in Munirka. Okay, I am right now in Munirka. In Saket Court, when I reached the Saket Court, I made a reel for Instagram. है ना? If you don't know what is my Instagram handle, you can see my Instagram handle is lawyer Rohit Mathur. I am a lawyer by profession, as you know, but I am not fluent. My native language is not a English. This is why I am practicing myself in English. Okay, I want to be not, I don't want to be a fluent. I want only to convey my message, convey my ideas, convey my thoughts in English, so that other person will understand, other person understand me what I wanna say. This is the only reason. Okay, that is why I am, so I went to the Saget Court, and when I, you know when I, what we can see now, I, this is how we can stuck what to say in English. There is in my mind ki when I was free, then I shoot a video for Instagram reels, especially Instagram reels, and then uh, I wanted to make a blog in Saket Court, but times goes and my senior calls ke where are you, so then that is why I you know quit my passion for the blog today, and I am right now here. I am practicing myself English. So just I from now I am just going to the Saget Court to make a blog for today. Okay, so I want a blog from the Saket Court. So right now I am just going to Saket Court. Okay, so I am just resting and just seeing the park in the Munirka. I am just coming from the Basant Vihar police station right now, and I will share you all of the things. This is my today's stuff. I am about to go to the Saket Court right now because of I am free whether I go to the home. And as a lawyer, this is your duty to improve yourself on the daily basis. This is not a kind of job कि you perform the daily task and then go to the home. You have to improve yourself daily. If you want to improve yourself daily, you have to learn, you have to read, you have to observe everything which is related to your field, related to your profession. This is how you can improve yourself on the daily basis. If you stop learning one day or 2 day, no problem. If you stops learning new things on the daily basis, trust me, you will stop your growing. You will not, you know, you will not be become successful in your life. And you, this is how there is a person, not a person, we can say there is a boy come through the, a bridge, come towards me, but not to me, because of he is on call right now and he is walking. This is not the right time for walking, but he is walking right now. Why I am saying this is not the right time for walking? Because of it's, right now just 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is not a time for walking. Walking time is, evening, at evening around 5 p.m. is a right time for walking. 5 p.m., we can say 5 p.m. or 6 p.m., 7 p.m. is the right time, 8 p.m. also. 8 p.m. is the right time for walking. This is not the right time because of it's sun outside and it's, hot right now. It's feeling hot right now because of there is sun all over here and you are walking. So your body, sweat. I am just, sitting the shadow of this tree, but still I am feeling hot. As you can see, this is not the sweat, but yes, I am feeling hot right now because of there is no AC here. Obviously there is there is no AC in the park, but yes. Okay, now let's go to the Saket Court right now. I am just going, and this is the, helmet, and this is the water bottle I carry always, because of you have to carry your water bottle, or you can buy from the, the shops. And this is, paper, some kinds of paper. And this is my, key, the vehicle key. And you can see the background. And I am just sitting right here. And to explore the, I'm just coming here for only to see the garden and to rest myself. And this is, what is this? What kind of message is this? Okay, bye. Hello guys, in this video, I will teach you how to practice and how to gain fluency, how you can gain fluency with, nature. So you know what, you can see my background, and there is a tree all over me. I am sitting, you know where I am sitting right now. I am sitting in the garden and in the park, we can see. And now you can see this is the park, and this is, the rocks, which is, besides behind me. And let's talk about why I am here, and after that I will, I will show you ki why I am here, and I will show you, no, I will say ki I am saying ki why I am here. This is the actual reason why I am practicing, you know with myself, without, you know so this is the, and there is a guy here walking, and you can see this is a garden. This is a very beautiful garden, you can see this. And you can see this is the bridge. And you can see now, wow. And this is the, stone, you can see. And these are many trees and different kind of and plants all over here. And this is very beautiful, this is very beautiful. And I am, I am sitting, as a on a we can say I am sitting right now on a, we can say, a rock or a stone. Yes, we can say stone or a rock. That is why I am practicing with myself, not with any other, because of I am not so fluent. I don't have fluency. I want to express my thoughts in English only with myself. you know I am capturing myself, so that I will I see when I edit this video, I will never edit or any trim in this video. This is the raw and real. Whenever I stuck, whenever I get fumbled, whenever I got scared, and people here and there, people looks at me कि what he is doing in the park, and you know so I see like मतलब a shameful feeling inside me when people looks at me कि what is he doing in the park, है ना. You can see this, there is a couple over there. You can see there is a couple, and there is most of guy who is walking all around the path. You can see the path. This is the rounded path. I don't know this is the rounded or not, because I am not, I am just come to here and sit right there to speak with you and share with you. I am not explore anything. I didn't explore anything about this park, because of I am here right because I came to Munerka. I am Munerka right now. This is the Basant Vihar Park. I am Munerka right now because of this is my duty to explore and trace my client's address. You know, because of I am a lawyer. So being a lawyer, this is my duty to as a, we can say, this is my duty to execute the available warrant through the police, so that I can, this is my duty to verify the address, so that police go and arrest the client which is negligent, and which is not paying. And if he gets loan, if he cheated, if he breached the contract, if he breached the trust, and lawful proceeding is running in the court, and he is not appear before the court in any date, so that I, this is my duty being a lawyer to verify the address. I came today to verify two address in the Munerika, both address traced by me right now, and now I am free. I just came from the Basant Bihar police station, and I I hand over the warrants of my clients, of my both clients, to execute, and police will execute, and will submit the report in the court. So I am just free right now. I have two choices, whether I go to my home, whether I go to the office to get some work. So I am a not a that lazy person to I am, what we can say, I am saving myself to do work. I am safeguard myself to doing some work. Safeguard means I I want to express what I want to say. So I have two options, whether I can go to my home and on calls to my senior and say कि I done all the works which hand over me for the today, whether I can go to the office and do some other work which is of mine as well, but not for today, but we can say, and we can go to the office. But now, because of it's you can see it's a little hot today, not so cold weather today, and you can see the sun all over here. and the shadow, the shadow of the tree. I am sitting. I am sitting in the shadow of a tree, shadow of these trees, which is planted and which is in the park or ground all over here. This Look at this ground and look at this park. This park is very big. This park is very big, and you know I you I don't know you can see the you know all the park or not, because of I am just looking at the park, and park is so big, not so little type of park. This is so much big. This is a bigger park, we can say. So I am resting myself here. I am sitting all alone because of I funny part. I thought it was a water cooler, so I keep my water with myself. I carry my bottle to fill this bottle from here, but it's not a water cooler. Now and now you can see the this is a bridge. I sat there. You can see there. I sit there, and now you can see the park. This is the park of Basant Vihar. This is not so small. There is two guy sitting right there, and this is so much bigger than the society park. This is actually a big, and there are many. I am not in the middle of the not in the middle of the park, but I am uh, what how can this is, and this is the sitting area. This is the seat, and this is the the path. And now I am just closing this, so that I am just going right now from here. Look at this bridge. This bridge is made from the board, and this is the bamboo. This is the bamboo, and you can see the water. And this is not a canal. This is type of this is not a big tree, but it's shaking. If we jump on this, it's shaking. It's a kinds of temporary kinds of bridge, not a proper bridge, but it's not a kinds. And this is made from the board and made from the bamboo tree.